am actually, walking next to the most important woman, Mama Katrina Esau, the woman who is well known of preserving the Khoisan culture here in the Western Cape and probably maybe in other places that we don't know of. Mama, who gana meyo? Because I can't Afrikaans praat, but example yo.
Baie goed, ek kan nie klaar nie.
Yeah, so if I struggle with Afrikaans, she's going to translate. Are we agreeing?
I'm not going to translate.
So, Mama, how do you feel that we are here celebrating this beautiful day where we are actually celebrating our culture, we are celebrating who we are as South Africans, and you are a custodian of that. You are the person who actually led the way. You are the person who actually held our hand and making sure that our culture still stays the same.
Hoeveel oor die dag is vandag in plaas van die Heritage Dag en alle gebeurtenisse? Hoeveel om?
Ek voel baie gelukkig. Ek is nog wel 'n bietjie moeg, maar ek voel gelukkig vir die dag. Aan die dag dat alles wat mooi uitgegaan het, alles is mooi wat uitgegaan het. En alles is mooi en alles is goed. En ek is dankbaar daarvoor. Ek is baie dankbaar.
We really, really applaud you, Mama, but I just want you to look at the camera as you walk. And I need you to tell all the parents, all the mothers, all the fathers that, are in South Africa and they love their culture so much. But our young people, they are not really taking care of it and they're not taking it into consideration. What message of Heritage Day would you like to give to them?
Wat wil maar vir die ouers sê om vir die kinders te sê vandag dat jong mense stel mens nie regtig belang nog in die kultuur en die goeders nie. Wat 'n boodskap het maar vir die jong mense en vir die ouers om vir die kinders te sê?
En vir die jong mense sê hulle moet hulle se kultuur vat en hulle moet aangaan met hulle se kultuur. Dit is hulle se kultuur. Hulle moenie sê nie hulle as hulle se kultuur is hulle se kultuur. En vir die groot mense. Die groot mense moet aangaan met hulle se kultuur en alles en hulle se taal. Hulle se taal en hulle se kultuur met hulle aangaan.
Mama Katrina, baie dankie. Ek is very, very, how is it excited? Gelukkig excited. Listen, I'm so excited. But next time I'm going to learn how to speak Afrikaans, right?
Nee, jy moet regtig Afrikaans. Afrikaans speak. En self moe ook. As ek kwaakie kan kook ek kwaakie.
There you have it. There you have it. Thank you so much, my peeps. I mean, this is so wonderful. Yeah.